Hello, friends and colleagues. This is David Swan with the Faculty Success Center at Kalamazoo Valley Community College. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a properly formatted list in Microsoft Word to ensure that all of your lists are accessible to a student who uses a screen reader. In creating a properly formatted list, if you're creating a numbered list, and if you want to start it off with the number 1, or really any number, you could actually start that process by typing in the number, and then the period, and then a space, and then automatically Microsoft Word is going to set it as a list. Now let's back up for a moment because I want to talk about a common way that people attempt to make lists, and that is that they will go on number 1, and they will go on number 2, and they will go on number 3, and then they'll add their list items here. Let's say cats, and over here we have dogs, and we have fish. And the problem with that is that a screen reader, which is a piece of software that a student with blindness or low vision uses to have the document read to them, the screen reader is not going to recognize those items as part of a list. It will simply read it literally as 1, period, cats, 2, period, dogs, 3, period, fish. When we set it as a properly formatted list, it's going to identify it as a list item. So when it counters the list, it will say list item number 1, cats, list item number 2, dogs, list item 3, fish. So we want to make sure that any list that we create, it's set as a list. Now, if you have created documents in the past that you still use, and you have lists that are created in this manner, you just need to go back through your documents, find those lists, select all of the text in that list, and then select the list control button and make it into a properly formatted list. Same is true of bulleted pointed list. We can do that. And if you're starting a brand new list, probably the best way is to start right away. I'm going to make a numbered list. It'll automatically start with number 1, and you can make your list, or vice versa. It'll start you off with a bullet. And that is how you create a properly formatted list that is accessible to a screen reader in Microsoft Word.